Welcome to our channel Law of Attraction for All. Affirmations are a powerful tool which helps in creating your desired life and manifestation process. Today, we are here with I am affirmations for you. Please save this video for your daily affirmation practice. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, please request to subscribe it. Also press the bell icon. Affirmations have the power to motivate you to act on certain things, help you to concentrate on achieving your goals in life, give you the power to change your negative thinking patterns and replace them with positive thinking patterns, assist you in accessing a new belief system, but above all, affirmations can reaffirm the positivity back into your life and help regain or increase your self-confidence. In this video, we are here with I am affirmations. Also, check our video for money affirmations. I will share link in comment box. Before we start, just want to tell you that I am affirmations are powerful, because they make us think of the immediate present moment that reshape our self-talk according to it. I am affirmations make us feel that what we are affirming can indeed be true for us in this moment. I suggest you to listen and repeat these affirmations either out loud or in your mind for 21 days to help establish new positive thoughts pattern. Let's affirm I am worthy. I am successful. I am wealthy. I am happy. I am blessed. I am a blessing. I am beautiful, inside and out. I am strong. I am patient. I am resilient. I am rich. I am loved. I am grateful. I am compassionate. I am making a difference in this world. I am a force to be reckoned with. I am capable. I am aware of my strengths. I am peaceful. I am breathing in relaxation. I am deeply motivated to work towards my goals. I am achieving more and more success. I am taking time for self-care. I am grateful that I understand what matters to me. I am reliable. I am loyal. I am immensely creative. I am a go-getter. I am always the first to appreciate other people. I am kind and caring. I am succeeding in life. I am full of vitality. I am worthy enough to follow my dreams and manifest my desires. I am prepared for my wildest dreams to come true. I am the architect of my fate. I am harder than all the challenges and hurdles lying in my way. I am blessed to have everything in my life to make it successful. I am capable of attracting daily abundance. I am attuned to the abundance of success. I am my best source of motivation. I am capable of achieving greatness. I am open to receiving unexpected opportunities. I am grateful for the abundance that I have, and the abundance that's on its way. I am a strong individual who attracts success and happiness. I am worthy of all the good life has to offer, and I deserve to be successful. I am always open-minded and eager to explore new avenues to success. I am a powerful creator. I create the life I want and enjoy it. I am surrounded by positive, supportive people who believe in me. I am living my life in a state of complete abundance. I am worthy of my dream job and am creating the career of my dreams. I am committed to achieving success in every area of my life.
Please like, comments, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Law of Attraction for All. Stay tuned, stay connected.